Are you trading crypto in Sweden and wondering, do I have to pay taxes on that stuff? Well, grab a cup of coffee, or should I say fika, because I will break all down for you in just a few minutes. First up, let's talk about when you actually owe taxes on crypto. In Sweden, taxable events include selling your crypto for fiat money, like kronor, swapping one cryptocurrency for another, or using crypto to buy something cool like a car or even a fancy espresso machine. Any crypto earnings, whether from staking, mining or lending. Now let's break down the types of taxes you might face when dealing with crypto. Crypto profits are taxed at a capital income, which means a flat tax rate of 30%. Profits from selling crypto for another crypto or swaps fall in this category as well. If you earn crypto like through mining or being paid for services, it's treated as income and subject to a progressive income tax rate ranging from 32 to 52% depending on your total income. And if your crypto earnings fall under interest income like lending and staking rewards, they are also taxed at a flat rate of 30%. And there you have it, your crash course on crypto taxes in Sweden. Remember, keeping track of your transactions is key. And if you want to learn more, smash that like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy hodling.